Well, my friends, unusual circumstances like a pandemic call for alternative and creative ways to celebrate special occasions with family and friends. Stick around and see how we did this adorable teddy bear themed drive-by baby shower as an effort to keep everyone safe. So basically, the celebration was a two-part event, and some of the wording on the invitation was as follows. The drive-by parade is from 3 to 4 p.m. You can safely meet and greet the family from a distance, take photos, and pick up a sweet treat to go. Please stay in your cars. Then join us again on Zoom from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. for fun games and association. Outside in the front yard, but close enough to the street, we set up 3 stations. So during the drive-by parade, each car would stop a total of 3 times to do something different at every stop sign. Their first stop was to visit the Teddy Bear Snack Shack. They were greeted by Savannah, and wearing a mask and gloves, she would offer them their choice of either a sweet or savory prepackaged treat. The Teddy Bear Snack Shack was stocked with DIY custom packaged Teddy Grahams, trail mix, which we called bear food, and of course, gummy bears. The second stop in the parade was to meet and greet Mama Bear and Papa Bear. Look how cute they are, dressed in warm fur and teddy bear colors to coordinate with the event. Mama and Papa Bear could rest comfortably and sip hot chocolate during breaks in the parade. Guests were permitted to either drop off their gifts in person during the drive-by parade or have their gifts shipped directly to their home through the Amazon registry. The third and final stop in the drive-by parade was the Teddy Bear Hot Cocoa Bar. Guests were greeted by the grandparents, Yaya Bear and Poppy Bear. We offered them a hot cup of cocoa or a bear-shaped bottle of berry juice to go. At this last stop, guests were reminded to rejoin us on Zoom, and they were also given their game packs to participate in the events for later that evening. You may remember this treat cart I made in a previous video. If you haven't seen it, be sure to go back and check it out. Well, this is the same cart, just decorated for the teddy bear theme. Even Great-Grandma Bear was there to help the other great-grandparents who live far away see the celebration over Zoom. After the drive-by parade was over, we brought all the decorations inside to set up the backdrop for part 2 of the celebration, which would be on Zoom. We also gave ourselves a little time to rest, have a snack, and get warmed up again, because it was a little chilly outside, even for us brown bears. Now don't go away just yet. I've got a couple of teddy bear tablescapes to show you and a closer look at the DIY decorations. If you're enjoying this so far, give it a thumbs up. Starting with my 60-inch round table, I'll add a chocolate brown tablecloth, 90 inches. I'll layer in another teddy bear color with this burlap table runner. Then some rose gold chargers from Dollar Tree. They look a little copper on camera, but in person they look more rosy in the pink shade. And from Amazon, I found these baby girl paper plates trimmed in metallic rose gold. Gold flatware matches the table runner. You've seen these before, my white linen napkins with the tree stump napkin rings. And for the centerpiece, I've got some teddy bears propped up on a wooden box, leaning up against a bottle of apple cider, and some silk flowers surrounding the base. So here's a closer look. I really like this dark and unique color scheme for a baby shower tablescape. It's different, huh? Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Now, even though this is set for a baby girl, you could easily adapt this color scheme to a boy baby shower by switching out the rose gold chargers to regular gold chargers or even wooden chargers. Also by swapping everything pink for the color blue or the color green or even cream. I think chocolate and cream or tan makes a nice neutral color palette, whether it's for a boy or a girl. I mentioned earlier that I designed all the packaging for the treats. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see a separate video on how I made these chip bags and treat packages. You can customize them as much as you want and save a lot of money by printing these at home. I ordered these to-go cups and lids from Amazon for our hot cocoa, and a roll of these thank you very much stickers also from Amazon. So cute and so easy. I used those same stickers on the gummy bears. I saw these baby blocks on Amazon too for $21.98 and I thought, oh, those are so cute, but wait a minute, I can make those for less. So I bought 4 empty boxes from Walmart. They were 63 cents each. And I wrapped them with this shelf and drawer liner that I got from Dollar Tree. So far, we're at about $8. Using a black Sharpie, I measured and drew on some squares on all sides of the box in order to create the illusion of depth on the blocks. And the last step was to hot glue on the letters that I got from Walmart. They were $1 each, which puts us at a grand total of $12 for the project, cutting the cost in half. Now here's a second tablescape idea using a different variation of colors. This setting is high-end and low-end because I'm using what I have, mixing paper products with fabric and glass. And aren't these teddy bear plates just adorable? I couldn't resist. And since we're serving hot cocoa, I thought this was a nice addition to the cups. Giant marshmallows and chocolate spoons. I found these at Dollar Tree. You can use them in warm milk, mix them into your coffee, or just eat them as is. I think it's a good idea to wrap them separately in case your guests don't want to use one or the other, Or maybe they would rather take them all home as a party favor. Let me know in the comments below, which tablescape do you like better? The beige, which is the lighter color scheme? Or do you like the dark with the chocolate brown? As a finishing touch, Big Sister Bear Amelia, my 2-year-old granddaughter, she helped me to bake a chocolate cake, and I carved it into the shape of a bear's head. Now we have this personal, heartwarming memory of how she contributed to her baby sister's shower. Our next little grandbaby is due in March, and we can barely wait. Thanks for watching. I'm Steph Storm, and you'll see me next time.